Welcome back to Track and Travel with Rick, and today I want to show you real quick an overview of components you'll need if you want to install solar on a trailer, camper, or anything that does not already come pre-wired, like this 24-foot car hauler. This is a 2000. There's no solar prep, so we're going to add solar to trickle charge the battery, which is used for the winch and other components. So I laid it all out here to test the circuit out. If you got any questions, ask in the comments and I'll help you out, and love to chat with you. This solar panel is the Top Solar Flexible Solar, the same one I did a video on and installed on our motorhome. So I purchased the same controller. It's a Go Power, and it's capable of multiple battery types. I chose this. There's plenty of them out there, and maybe other ones are maybe more cost effective, but this is the same model I'm using in the camper, and that came pre-wired with it. It works really well, so I decided to stick with what I know. It's capable of wet or flooded battery, AGM. It's capable of lithium iron phosphate, and so it gives you lots of choices. And we can see it's fairly sunny out, and it's late in the afternoon, and we're pulling 2.1 amps right now into this battery. I don't know if you can see that. So the componentry is pretty simple. Ordered the solar panel. This is 100 watts, so it's about 2 foot by 4 foot. It comes with these cables, with these bayonets. I bought some extra, these bayonet fittings. These are really nice. Bought some extra fittings just in case. I bought some wires off of Amazon, pre-made, plugged right in, straight to the controller, right out of the controller to the battery. It's really just that easy. I'm waiting on a few more components before I install this on the trailer. So we'll do an in-depth video on all the details when we get there. But if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and certainly comment, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. See you next time.